Can you really make money through affiliate marketing? How much money can you make as a beginner? How much do you need to invest in affiliate marketing business? And most importantly, why do most people fail in affiliate marketing? All these questions will be answered in today's video. If you are new here, my name is Navdeep Soni. I'm a photographer and SEO consultant. I help websites build organic traffic, and on this channel, we explore strategies and tools that help you grow more and earn more. Before we move ahead and discuss all the questions, let us understand what exactly is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or a service via special links and you earn a commission through that sale with no extra cost to the buyer. These special links contains unique cookies that help brands identify who is promoting the product so that the individual gets the commission. You must have seen it on Instagram, YouTube, people urging the viewers to click the link in the description, link in the profile, or swipe up for the link. All these links are mostly affiliate links. When you buy by clicking those links, the creator gets a commission. So, can you really make good money through affiliate marketing? My answer is thumping yes. But if I tweak the question a little bit, can everyone make good money? My answer is no. Why no? Because affiliate marketing is not a quick rich scheme or something that does not require effort. In fact, on my channel, I will never share or promise anything that can make you rich without any effort. To be honest, most beginners can easily start earning anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 per month on an average, which is around 1 lakh to 3.5 lakh rupees per month. On the other hand, experienced affiliate marketers earn anywhere between 5 to 6 figures per month. There is definitely a lot of potential. All you need is persistent and finding your own process to scale this business. Now, how can a beginner make money through affiliate marketing and how much? A beginner, or in fact anyone, can and will continue to make money if they are willing to put effort and don't look for shortcuts. In simpler words, you can get good income from affiliate marketing if you have a source of traffic. This source of traffic can be your website, YouTube channel, or Instagram handle with good number of followers. The more traffic you can generate, the more you are going to earn. It is very similar to a physical store in real life. You can have a top-notch modern store with world-class products, but if there is no footfall, aka traffic, you are going to generate any sales? Not really. I will be making more videos for this affiliate marketing playlist to solve this crucial step of generating traffic without going too technical. So watch out for more and subscribe to this channel. Every business requires investment. So how much do you need to invest in affiliate marketing business? Yes, like any business, an affiliate marketing business does require some sort of investment, and there are no free lunches or shortcuts. But luckily, the investment is not too big. You will have to invest your time in learning strategies and then creating content at a scale. Well, majority of affiliate marketers build websites to earn handsome income every year. So an investment of money will be required to set up such websites. Now let us look at the very basic cost to build a website. A domain name can cost you around $10 or rupees 500 to 700 per year, and a reasonable hosting, at least for your first year, can cost you around $50 or rupees 3,000 to 4,000 per year. If you're using YouTube or Instagram as your source of traffic, I would still recommend a website to support your channel. I won't elaborate much in this short video, but don't fall for free websites to save money. It's not worth it. And now on to the most important question of this video. Why do most people fail in affiliate marketing? Most people fail because they enter into affiliate marketing with a mindset, or maybe subconsciously believing it is a quick way to earn money, a shortcut. But actually, it is not. Secondly, most of the people remain clueless and fail to get required traffic. Affiliate marketing does not work without traffic. That's the key. Thirdly, affiliate marketing takes time to pick up, and I would say there is a waiting period before you can earn your first dollar. And in this waiting period, you need to create content consistently with a lot of patience and hard work. Lastly, people don't design their small wins. It is essential to consciously design your small wins to succeed in any goal in life. Every major goal is a combination of small wins. And these small wins keep you motivated, especially when your website is in the waiting mode. A small win is to see first hit on your website or simply increase in impressions on your website. These may not earn you a dollar, but it assures you that you are progressing towards the right direction. Your first dollar may take you 3 months and your first $100 will be the toughest. But once you reach the $100 per month mark, it is easier to scale it up to $1,000. All you need is patience and hard work for your first $100. In this series of videos, I will share the exact strategies to generate your first dollar to $100 and then your journey towards your $1,000 per month. So keep coming back and I will be sharing my strategies which I have been using on my affiliate websites. I hope this video was useful to help you in understanding what exactly is affiliate marketing and why most people fail in affiliate marketing. Don't forget to watch the other videos where the real action begins. In the next video, I will help you on how to select a profitable topic or a niche for your affiliate website. So watch out for next video. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.